Alright, here is the assembled unit plugged in. The oil has been added. Little gauge there. Looks like it ate some already. And we've got it up to speed. Plugged it in, it's already up to 125 psi, and that's when it shuts itself off. I think this is an inline stop here regulator. So I'm going to try to give this some juice and see if we can get some air out to the cord here. There goes the pressure in the hose. You can hear the air going out. Guess we'll give it some more here. Thing filled up to 125 in about 2 minutes. No, not even, maybe 60 seconds. And it was up to 125. We'll see if it kicks on again here with the air going out the hose. I guess I dialed it up to 40 psi. We can give it even more here. Filling up the hose. I haven't taped any of these things, so it's leaking. It's leaking there because I haven't taped it. But just as a test, it's leaking on this one too. Yikes. Guess there's some fluid in there. Wonder if that's the oil or what that is exactly. Maybe I'll find something I can blow that into that's not going to make too much of a mess here. There she goes again. Climbed back up to 125. I think that's just moisture coming out of the line there. It doesn't smell like oil, so maybe the cold air is moist and condensing in there. But definitely it's definitely blowing. Just a little adapter here, so seems to be working. All right, that's the scoop. I guess she's working well. It seems to, even with all the air coming out of those loose connections, it still seems to have plenty of oomph. So here's hoping we'll get some tools in it and it will be all good. All right, let's see if we can release all the air. Gonna shut it off. It's the on-off switch here. Oil fill here, oil level down there. Reset button here. Air filter here. This gets hot. Wheels. It's the inline regulator. So let's try to bleed all that out. See if we can bring it back down to bring that down. I think we want to leave some pressure in the tank to get that water out. It's probably a good idea. So let's shut off the hose here. I think that's the pressure dropping in the hose. Alright. Pressure's down in the hose. Bled off some of the tank pressure. Down in here, it's the little guy. So let's see how powerful letting the air out here is. Turning it very slow. Maybe I was turning it the wrong way. Wonder if that was bleeding down there. Let's see. Oh, which way is this going? Pretty sure this is opening. Let's see. Let's bleed a little more. Let's bring this down to 40 or so. Let's close this guy again here. Bleed that out. Now let's scoop with this thing. You're definitely loosening it. We're gonna stop recording and figure out how to purge it. Alright, there she is.